guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I am bald headed because this is going to be a hair video. So I wanted to do a hair video for you guys because I don't think I've done one in a while. So I picked up some hair from AliExpress and the brand is Kgbl. I wanted to get a summer wig, even though I'm planning on getting some more summer wigs, but this is the first wig for the summer. And it's a cute little 12-inch bob, and I just wanted to show you guys how I apply it. But I will say that I am not a hair expert. I don't know how to really pluck the hairline. I don't know anything really about bleaching hairlines, and the last time I bleached the knots on one of my wigs, I did bleach the hair, you know, by mistake. So yeah, so this is not gonna be the type of video. I'm gonna show you the box. I'm going to take everything out, show you what it looks like, pop it on my head, and we're gonna do what it do, okay? But before we get started into this video, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and thumbs up this video for more, cause trust and believe, baby, your girl been over here working for her bag. So I will plan on ordering some more wigs, maybe some colorful ones. I have a pink wig in mind that I saw that I want to pick up so I can do a half up, half down. I think that would be super cute. But yeah, anyway, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, thumbs up this video, and let's get into this. All right guys, so the hair today is from Kgbl. So this is what it looks like when you get it out of the package, and the hair comes in this plastic. You do get a wig cap. This is technically the color of wig cap that I have on now, so this matches my skin tone perfectly, and you get 2 of those. You do get a free gift, which is these fake behind lashes, not really my thing, and then they send you a little letter. But that's everything that you get from there. And like I said, this is a bob and is 12 inches. So let's take it out the bag. Y'all, I need to do my nails so bad. My nails are looking horrible. So it has like a little net. I just took the net off, and it comes like this little piece of paper in there, I guess, to hold the shape. Not really sure. And it looks like the knots are already bleached for you, so that's perfect. Actually, I think it's a transparent lace because when I put it up against my skin, I don't see anything really. I mean, I do see some black knots, but I know there's ways you can not bleach the knots, like using powder or something like that, so I might do that. But yeah, this is the 12-inch wig. So I believe it's like a honey blonde ombre type of wig, which I think is super cute for the summertime. And then it does comes with 3 combs actually. 3 combs in the front and a comb in the back, and then it comes with the 2 straps for you to make it tight up against your head. So that's where we're at. And the way that I saw it online, of course, you know, on AliExpress, you see one picture for one brand and you see the same picture for another brand. But I constantly kept seeing these pictures, even though they were on multiple brands, but the one I got it from Kgbl, I was reading the reviews, I was looking at the pictures. Everybody did a deep side part, so that's what I really want. And I also want to let you guys know that my hair is not braided down, not whatsoever, because I can't braid. So what I did was I split my hair in 2, split my hair in half, and I gelled this baby down, okay? I gelled it down and put in like 2 little ponytails. So this is as flat as I can get my hair. Okay, so anyway, let's just try this on without really fixing anything and just see. So pop it on. Let's see. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. Let me see. This is a comb right here, but I mean, do we even really use the combs in the front? I think people mainly just use the combs in the back. And I don't really think I need to put the thing on, but I'm going to make this a tad bit tighter. I mean, I do have a big head and all, but let's just see. Oh, nope. That doesn't work. Maybe the second one will. Okay. So just so you guys know, the roots aren't black. They are a dark brown. They are a dark brown. And let me see. I think I want my part like this deep. Like, so where my arches of my eyebrows is where I want the part to be. This hair is super silky, so it might take a while for you to really manipulate the hair to get it how you want it, especially if you want a deep side part like I do. It might take me, oops, sorry, I keep hitting the thing. I know it's there in my past videos. But it might take you a while to really manipulate the hair to get it the way you want to. Where's my brush? I can't find my brush, but yeah. So this is what it's looking like so far. But you see what I mean? Like, how cute would, once, you know, I style it and I put it on and all this other stuff. I mean, like, how cute would this hair be? And then I'm gonna move up closer to you guys. So this is what the lace part is looking like. As you can see, like, it's really blending in with my skin tone. And then this is the baby hair, and this is where I'm going to do the part. So I'm going to work on this wig, and then we'll be back, you know, with my final thoughts and, you know, everything like that. I was going to show you guys how I do it on camera, but I think this is going to be a little bit time consuming, so I'll be back.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so this is what I did to the wig. So I used my Got To Be glue freezing spray to put it down. Now, I did have issues with cutting the ear tabs because I never in my life cut no ear tabs before, so yeah, I did the best that I could. So yeah, and I recorded this makeup look. It's something quick and simple that I usually would do if I'm running out the door, so that video will be up soon. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like. I can't see what the back looks like, but this is what I did. I don't know if it's still flipping up this way. Let me show you this one. I don't know if it's still flipping up this way or what it's doing. I'm not sure. It's looking so much brighter on camera, and I can guarantee you in person it's not that bright. It is a honey blonde for real. Like a 27. I think it's like a 4 up top with a 27 down at the bottom, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's the color combo. But yeah, I'm gonna leave all the links and everything down below if you guys want to check it out. I enjoyed it. Like I said, for you advanced wig wearers, I'm pretty sure you can make this look 10 times better than what I did. I also cut this part here and made it into like a cute little swoopy swoop bang. What is, God. Into a little swoopy swoop bang, you know, brought it back to the 90s, you know. But yeah, I love it. I think it's super cute, and I think this is definitely the wig that I plan on wearing a lot during the spring and summertime. Well, spring is canceled, so during the summertime, if summer isn't canceled, you can definitely see me doing this. I am going to try to make the part a little bit deeper, but then again, the way that the wig is made, like, I think it stops right here, and then it goes, the sewing goes across. So you can't make, on the picture, the girl looked like she made a super, super deep part, but I don't think you can make that deep of a part, because the thing stops right here, so it won't be super deep. But yeah, all in all, do I recommend this wig? I absolutely do. I think I only paid like 50, maybe 60 something dollars for it. I'm not sure. I have all the, like I said, everything that you need down below, like the pricing, the link to the store, all that good jazz will be down below. But I like it. Like, again, I'm not a wig, I'm a wig wearer, but I'm not a wig maker, okay? Honey child, no. So yeah, but again, I like it. I hope you like it, and if you do like it, thumbs up this video. Yeah, thumbs it up, ring that bell, and subscribe to my channel. I would very, very appreciate it. I told you guys I was gonna come back. I know the last video that I did was like very somber and sad, so hopefully, by the grace of God, we don't have any more of those videos. I mean, I did get some bad news after that, but you know, we're on to we want to better and bigger things, and we're just going to pray that God heals this earth, God heals the sick, and we can go back to living our normal lives by the end of this. But yeah, I rambled on too long. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.